HIKOCO.
Hi beauties! We are Chatty Sisters! Today we have Sonny!
Hi guys!
Thank you beauties for all your love and support. If you haven't watched that video of who this lovely guy is, click up there and watch that and come back. What are we talking about today?
Honey skin.
Yes, honey Sonny. You got such a honey skin. In Korea, honey skin is meant to be like really shiny, glowy, a good looking, glass looking skin. And
in Korean we call it 물광 피부.
or 꿀광.
꿀광.
꿀피부.
Oh,
Say that again, say that again.
Honey?
Yeah.
What is the secret of honey skin?
Well, I'm gonna tell you guys.
So today you brought all your skincare routine, right?
Yeah.
Is this what you use? Like every night?
Not every night. But if I was gonna have like my full routine, this would be it.
Wow.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13.
Yeah.
Are you serious? 13.
Yeah.
How long will it take to finish all of them?
Probably like an hour and a half.
I'm lazy, so it takes like that long anyway.
Wow.
Oh my god.
But your term of lazy is quite different to me. Like, I'm very lazy. I'm like actually.
If you watch our previous video, see how lazy she is.
When I say I'm lazy, I might like do these ones in like 5 minutes, and then I might like take a half an hour break and then come back to it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why would you take a break though?
I
You
get
just
this-
need to put it on and sleep.
I get-
Can you tell us about your routine from A to Z?
Okay, so first I start off with oil cleanser. I don't wear makeup, base makeup, but I have combination skin, so oil cleanser is the best way to get rid of that. I'm using the Klairs Gentle Black Deep Cleansing Oil. Comes in a pump, which is my favorite way of using anything. Most of my products come in pumps.
Oh.
Oh, you should really talk about your sunscreen that you have. He has like a big tub of
Like body lotion type.
body lotion type, and he like pumps 3 pumps a day of sunscreen. That's how much he loves his skin.
Sunscreen, like it usually comes in like 50 mils, but I had a 250 ml bottle that came in a
4
pump.
times bigger.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
And 1, 2, 3, just on my face.
On your face.
Yeah.
It leaves the white cast, right?
No.
What is this? Tell me.
It actually was the Missha sun gel, but it was the old one.
Oh, I didn't know they got a big pump for it.
Yeah, it's discontinued now.
Because no one's gonna buy it.
Next step is foam cleanser. The one I'm using at the moment is the NEOGEN green tea cleanser. This is actually one of the most gentle cleansers that I've ever tried. So it's really good for sensitive skin types.
Is that actual green tea down there?
Yeah, there's actual green tea leaves in the bottom. And I actually don't like foaming cleansers, but this is one of the best ones that I've tried.
Is there any smells, like green tea smells out of it?
I think so.
Yes. Smelly time.
Deep down. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Then I use a water cleanser.
You do another cleansing?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So you use oil, and then a water type, and then
And then actual water cleanser. Yeah.
Why? Why?
Because I have like the oily T-zone, so I use a cotton pad with the cleansing water, and it helps to really get rid of any oil or...
Like excess sebums and
Yeah.
dead skin cells.
I actually find that sometimes when I use a cotton pad with this, I can see dirt on it. Sometimes. And that's without makeup. Next up is exfoliating. I use the NEOGEN green tea peeling pads. These are really good for lazy people.
Why are you
Lazy
Why are you
people
like
like me.
It comes in like a two-sided pad. So one has gauze, which you use to exfoliate. Then you flip it over and it's got a cotton pad and you use it to wipe away any of the dead skin.
So it's like a 2-in-1 thing.
Yeah.
Do you do it every day?
No, I do it once a week maybe.
Yeah, you don't have to do it every day because your
Thank
skin
God.
looks really good.
You do this every day.
What?
2 to 3 times a week maximum.
Can I smell it? I didn't expect that. It smells like soda,
Like
the Sprite, or you know, that kind of that soda smell.
I can smell yours. I can smell yours. But I really like this container though. I could probably use it for something else after I finish it, which is okay. A good thing for me because I'm lazy. I can finish it and I can put something else. It'll take me ages. It'll take me like a year to finish that. That's alright.
The next one is toner. So this is the Thank You Pharma True Water Deep Toner. It's actually similar to the Klairs in texture.
Oh,
It's
The Klairs toner. Oh.
is it like watery?
It's not watery, it's a little bit thick. Do you want to try it?
Yeah. It looks like a gel. Wow. Oh, once you rub it in, it turns to be like a water type.
It's more. It feels more like an essence.
Yeah.
Actually, it's probably similar to the Pyunkang Essence Toner.
Oh, it feels good and it's really hydrating.
After cleansing, I usually layer my toner, so I don't do the 7-stick, but I might put this like 2 or 3 times.
And then you use this one, your favorite.
This one. So we covered this in the previous video. I like this because it's hydrating, helps with brightening, helps with smooth and fine lines and wrinkles, and I just love it.
Yeah.
But more information is on our previous video, so please check it
Yeah.
out.
Serum. So I'm using the Klairs Vitamin C Serum. I use this in different ways depending on how I feel. Sometimes I actually put it on before toner because it will absorb straight into your skin. Also because vitamin C, the serums are usually like a bit more acidic, so it might be like 3.5 in pH. Sometimes I mix it in with my essence.
That's clever.
Yeah. Actually, that's a really good way for people to use vitamin C serums if they've got sensitive skin.
But you don't actually need the vitamin C for your skin. Why?
Why? You've already got this one, which has got rice extract.
Yeah, right.
I actually have some scarring on my face that actually I don't even see it most of the time, but
Oh.
Stop complaining.
but in general, this one's just really good for evening the skin tone and giving you a bright complexion.
That's one of HIKOCO's bestseller too.
It's always sold out.
Always.
Next is the Mamonde Ceramide lotion. We actually stocked the cream, but I don't like using creams just because I feel like they're too thick for my skin. So I went and found the lotion version. This one has ceramides, which is something that we actually produce naturally in our skin, but as we get older, we don't produce them as much anymore. Also good for anti-aging, because we're all getting older now.
Aww. Except you, Kate.
Just wait.
Oh, it's a pump type.
Obviously.
Oh.
I use like 10 pumps of this.
What? At once?
Yeah,
Then what's the point of not having a cream?
because it's still lightweight. Next is eye cream. I'm using the Nacific Fresh Herb Eye Cream. This one is good for brightening, so if you get dark circles, and this one is also good for wrinkle improvement. So it's like anti-aging and brightening. So this one's like a gel type. It's a little bit sticky, but to be honest, I don't really mind that.
Alright.
Because I'm not touching my face throughout the day.
Right. Okay, Mr. Too Much, what's the next one?
Next one is the LANEIGE Lip
Oh my
Sleeping
god,
Mask.
you have this one too?
Oh my god.
Yeah. I think you guys saw in the last video that everyone has this.
Actually, after that video was launched, my friends were like, I think I should get it because everyone else does and I don't. So I'm like, definitely.
I'm using the Missha Essence sunscreen. It's coming closer to winter, so I'm finding that my skin is actually a little bit dry. So I'm using that one. It's a sunscreen. You should be using it every day.
Yeah, there's no
Every
reason.
day.
Yeah.
Even during winter.
Yeah, even if you're sitting outside at home inside, you should be wearing it.
When you take the photo of your skin really closely, I mean with the phone, you can see the little freckles.
Yeah.
You can't actually, you can barely see from the mirror, but when you take a photo, you can see them. So when you like do up, and you can still see the little freckles around your cheek area. That's because the New Zealand sun, UVA, UVB, is too strong. So you should apply sunscreen every day. And not night. If you've got a spare time, it's better to apply every 4 hours. But if you can't, just do it in the morning. Kate. Kate. You're still young, but we'll be happy soon.
Next is Mist.
Oh, so
Where is
pretty.
it from?
This one is actually the MAC Fix Plus Goldlite. So it's obviously going to be hydrating for throughout the day. But it also,
Oh.
Wow.
Oh.
So pretty.
it's got like,
Oh my god.
it's got pigment inside of it.
Oh, so that's
So-
like a highlighter.
Yeah.
Oh.
So you can use this to set your makeup if you wear makeup, or you can just use it as a hydrating mist. Next is sheet mask.
Honey mask.
Honey mask.
Oh.
This is the Papa Recipe Bombee mask. I don't use sheet masks often because I've got a big face. And
What do you mean? I always see on Instagram, you're like always wearing a face mask.
Oh, just the eye mask.
I was given one of these by another HIKOCO staff, and it was literally the best sheet mask that I've ever tried. The best.
This is one of our best sellers.
Yeah,
Oh, really?
yeah.
Like whenever I try to buy it, it's always out of stock.
Sold.
Yeah.
Yeah. They have repackaged it, and the formula has been developed it a little bit. So, like, comparing to the previous one, that comes with more essence in it, and then they're concentrating on hydration.
The reason why I like this one is because I found that how do you say it in Korean? Michak?
Oh, what's in English? Milchak.
Ah.
That sits on your skin really well. That's what it is.
It adheres to your skin.
And smells quite nice too.
It smells really good.
Yeah, it smells like real honey.
Yeah.
But if you're allergic to honey, please don't use it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Please don't.
Okay. Are you allergic to honey?
No.
You should try.
I'm just allergic to skincare. So is this what you use day and night? Or is it like separate?
I only sunscreen at night.
What?
What?
Don't.
Oh, don't. Oh.
Yeah.
I thought you said.
I thought you I will.
I was sunscreen and I'm like, where do you sleep?
Sometimes the serum is only at nighttime. I use it in daytime if I have time to do it. Exfoliating generally only at nighttime. Sheet mask only at nighttime unless I have time during the day to do it. And the mist only during the daytime. Actually, I wouldn't recommend recommend specific products to you guys, but I would recommend perhaps steps that you could do in order to get honey skin. So one would be layering a toner, essential. Another would be using actually a lightweight lotion, possibly even a sleeping mask, which is something I didn't mention that I use instead of a moisturizer.
Do you use the sleeping mask after that? Or instead
After
of
10
the-
pumps of this?
No, sometimes I use the sleeping mask by itself as my moisturizer.
All right.
Because
right,
usually
right.
they're like a gel type, so it's like nice and lightweight. Also, cleansing is really important in order to get honey skin, because you want to start off your skin with a nice fresh canvas. Similar to how you would use primer for makeup, this is like the primer for your skin.
That's clever.
Smart.
Yeah.
So today we had a look at our best friend Sonny's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 steps of what he does every night and day.
So thanks for sharing your secret tips of having honey skin.
If you've got any questions, just comment down below. Also like us and subscribe and stay tuned! Bye beauties! Let's be pretty!
수고하셨습니다.